Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel English with Ma Madam. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about lots of misconceptions about learning English language. Every learner has their own misconception, and because of this misconception you are not going ahead. Because of this misconception you are not speaking good English. So in this video we are going to talk about this. So watch the video till the end. And after watching this video, your all misconception will be cleared. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1 misconception: grammar is necessary for speaking in English. But from my opinion, grammar is not necessary for speaking in English. If you are not starting your journey just because you are focusing too much on grammar, then I would like to tell you that please don't do this, because grammar is not necessary. Because if you want to speak in English, then focus on your speaking. Slowly your grammar will automatically improve. But at initial stage, you should start your speaking without thinking too much about grammar. First of all, start speaking, and after that slowly start learning grammar. This is an easy process. But if you are thinking that you will be very perfect in grammar, then you will speak in English, then you will start in English, then you will be definitely entangled into grammar and you will never speak, because your mind will be confused after reading too much grammar. And before speaking, you always start thinking that where to use this type of grammar, where to use this type of grammar. So I am always saying that start speaking first, then start learning slowly grammar. You can take your example, how you learned your mother tongue: by listening, by absorbing other people's, by absorbing your family members. Have you learned about any grammar in your childhood? No. Imagine a child. When a child is learning English, then how will they learn? They really don't care about grammar. They only focus on listening and they only focus on speaking. Starting stage, they are speaking very wrong, but slowly they improve. But slowly their speaking improve, and slowly their grammar is automatically improve. So think that you are a child and start your speaking journey just like a child. And first of all, start speaking, and slowly your grammar will automatically improve. Number 2 misconception is I am from Hindi medium school. If you really want to speak English, then it doesn't matter you are from which medium, Hindi medium or you are from English medium. There are many learners who is from Hindi medium school, and they have always one doubt that I have not learned English properly in my school. Then how can I speak English? How can I learn this language? How can I speak this language? And this language is impossible for me. I can't learn this language. They are always thinking that English speaking is dream for a Hindi medium school. But my dear friends, it doesn't matter you are from which medium. The matter is how much you are curious to learn this language, how much you are dedicated. Nothing is impossible, friends, if you really want to do this. If you really are dedicated to do this, if you really have the passion to do it, then forget everything and concentrate only your speaking and think only one thing, that where there is a will, there is a way. Then your way is automatically will be very easy because of your thinking. Because everything depend on your mindset. Everything is depend on your thinking. So don't go afraid. Go ahead and think that you can do it. You can definitely can do it. But honestly, you have to put effort for this. Then it will possible. Then it will be possible. Otherwise, it will not. Number 3 misconception is I am from very poor family. I can't buy any books. I can't go any institute classes. I can't take admission in any classes. How can I learn English? I have no any source. Friends, I want to tell you that nowadays everyone has mobile, everyone has internet, and you can get lots of resources, you can get lots of videos in YouTube, you can get lots of information in Google, and you can learn English easily if you really want to learn. If you have mobile and if you have internet, then who can you stop? Nobody can stop you. Go and search videos related to your study and you can easily learn any language. There are many videos related to every level, low level, medium level, high level. Which type of you want to learn, every video is available in YouTube and every video is available in Google. Whenever you will learn English, many opportunities will come for you. So start learning, you can do it, don't stop yourself and don't make excuses. Number 4th misconception is I am alone, I have not environment, how can I speak English, how can I speak English alone? So I would like to tell you friends that you can speak English, you can practice your English at home alone. You don't need anybody because everybody is not available every time. Anybody is not available for you anytime. It's only you can help yourself. So start speaking your practice English alone. You can practice alone. You can stand in front of the mirror and you can speak with yourself. You can start your camera and you can speak anything, whatever comes in your mind. You can record your voice, and after recording you can listen your voice, and after listening you can improve your mistakes where you did mistake. By this way you can improve your English. You don't need anybody. There are many apps available in YouTube. You can download that apps and you can learn English, you can practice English by this app. Number 5th misconception is that I am a housewife, I have lots of responsibilities, I have lots of work to do, I have no time for learning any new language, so I can't do this. So my dear friend, don't do this with yourself because you are a woman. You have lots of power. Woman is a name of power. You can do anything, whatever you want to do in your life. Whenever you get free from your work, then don't waste your time on watching series, TVs and anything else. If you really want to learn anything, then start learning, start watching that types of things. I know you are tired, you want to relax your mind, then you can relax by watching this. You can watch series in English. While watching this, you are also entertaining yourself and also you are learning something. You can watch movies in English. You are also entertaining your mind and you are also learning something. By this way, you can utilize your time. Whatever times you have, you can utilize your time for something learning new. So I think I cleared all the misconceptions. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for listening me.